Welcome to GSL GMC 1720 Boat Trail, southwestern Calgary, Alberta. Today we're looking at this beautiful brand new 2020 GMC Terrain SLT package vehicle, powered by the 2-liter turbocharged engine and made it up to a 9-speed automatic all-wheel drive system. Once inside the interior of the beautiful GMC Terrain, we do have the power windows, power mirrors, memory seating, power tailgate. Down here we have all our lighting options and fog lights as well. A jet black leather wrapped heated steering wheel, forward collision warning on there, speak to talk, cruise control, dash and audio controls piloted from there. We do have the beautiful 8-inch touchscreen for your navigation, your Apple CarPlay and your audio control, push button start. We do have this is how you actually change gears in the vehicle, USB ports, 4x4 system, heated leather seats, jet black leather interior with the gold or bronze stitching, Bose speakers, beautiful leather heated seats. Looking at the exterior of the SLT Terrain, we do have the 19-inch wheel and tire package, all blacked out there with the Hankook all-season tires. We do have the color matched door handles, mirror caps, window trim, and roof rails all blacked out as well. Terrain GMC badging, SLT badging, all blacked out. Keyless entry, remote start. The vehicle does have the trailer tow package, obviously, as you can see. The tow hitch there, dual chrome exhaust tips, rear parking sensors, hands-free lift tailgate, as well as the rear view camera. Jumping on into the interior again here, second row of leather 60/40 split. We do have the car seat ready seats on both sides. Easy flip down, giving you access to your trunk. Enormous amount of room back there. Rubberized backing as well to keep your back of your seats and your cargo space clean, and you got your car seat hook there as well. We do have the USB ports for any electronics back here, rubberized mats as well. Got the moon and sunroof opening up the cab of the vehicle. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk around video on the brand new 2020 GMC Terrain SLT. If this is your next GMC, come down here and see us at GSL GM City, 1720 Boat Trail Southwest, or shop online at gslgmcity.com.